St Kilda. A name whispered on the wind, evoking images of a distant archipelago, shrouded in mist and mystery. This place, often hidden from the world, holds stories untold and secrets waiting to be discovered. Located 40 miles west of the Outer Hebrides, Scotland, this remote volcanic archipelago feels a world away from the hustle and bustle of mainland life. Its isolation has preserved its unique charm and natural beauty, making it a true escape from modernity. More than just a group of islands, St Kilda is a sanctuary, a testament to the power of nature and the resilience of the human spirit. The islands have witnessed centuries of human habitation, where communities thrived against the odds, living in harmony with the harsh yet stunning environment. Join us as we journey to this extraordinary corner of the world, uncovering its secrets and discovering its magic. From the moment you set foot on its rugged shores, you will be captivated by its timeless allure and the stories etched into its landscape. Few places on Earth can rival the raw, untouched beauty of St Kilda. Its dramatic cliffs, sweeping vistas, and the ever-present sound of the ocean create a symphony of nature that is both humbling and inspiring. Designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site, it stands as a testament to the power of nature, a place where the elements have sculpted a landscape of dramatic cliffs, soaring sea stacks, and hidden caves. This recognition underscores its global significance and the need to preserve its pristine condition for future generations. But St Kilda is more than just a geological wonder. It is a sanctuary for an abundance of wildlife, a place where puffins outnumber people and rare species thrive in this isolated paradise. The islands are a haven for birdwatchers and nature enthusiasts, offering a glimpse into a world where nature reigns supreme and wildlife flourishes undisturbed. Imagine towering cliffs rising sheer from the turbulent Atlantic, their rugged faces etched by centuries of wind and rain. These cliffs, standing tall and proud, have witnessed countless storms and the relentless pounding of the ocean waves, shaping them into the majestic formations we see today. The largest sea stack in the British Isles, Stac and Armin, stands as a silent sentinel, a testament to the relentless power of the ocean. This towering monolith, carved by the elements, rises dramatically from the sea, offering a stark contrast to the surrounding waters and a breathtaking sight for all who visit. Hidden within these towering cliffs, secret caves whisper tales of ancient storms and shipwrecks. These mysterious caverns, carved by the relentless forces of nature, hold secrets of the past, echoing the stories of sailors who once sought refuge within their dark, echoing chambers. But it is the abundance of life that truly sets St Kilda apart. The island's unique ecosystem supports a diverse array of flora and fauna, creating a vibrant tapestry of life that thrives in this remote and rugged environment. The islands are a haven for seabirds, home to the largest colony of Atlantic puffins in the world, their comical antics a delight to behold. These charming birds, with their colorful beaks and distinctive markings, nest in burrows along the cliffs, creating a lively and bustling community. Gannets, fulmars, and kittiwakes fill the air with their cries, their nests clinging precariously to the cliff faces. These seabirds, masters of the sky and sea, add to the island's dynamic and ever-changing landscape. Their presence a testament to the rich biodiversity of St Kilda. Below, the waters teem with marine life, from playful seals to pods of dolphins, their sleek bodies cutting through the waves. The surrounding seas are a vibrant underwater world, home to a myriad of species that thrive in the nutrient-rich waters, making St Kilda a true sanctuary for wildlife both above and below the waves. St Kilda's story is one of resilience, of a community clinging to life on the edge of the world. Archaeological evidence suggests that humans have inhabited these islands for thousands of years. Stone houses, known as cleats, dot the landscape, remnants of a time when the islanders lived in harmony with their harsh surroundings, relying on the sea for sustenance and the land for shelter. Life on St Kilda was harsh, a constant battle against the elements. The islanders developed unique traditions and ways of life, perfectly adapted to their isolated existence. They climbed the towering cliffs, harvesting seabirds and their eggs, their lives intricately intertwined with the natural world. The St Kildans were a resilient people, bound together by the challenges of island life. Their culture was rich in tradition, their lives governed by the rhythms of the sea and the seasons. They developed unique skills, scaling the towering cliffs to harvest seabirds and their eggs, their lives a testament to human adaptability and ingenuity. Their homes, built of stone, huddled together on the island of Hirta, offering protection from the elements. Life was communal, with families sharing the burdens and rewards of their isolated existence. Their language, a dialect of Gaelic, was unique to the islands, a testament to their long and isolated history. Section 5. A world teetering on the edge. The St Kilda Evacuation. The 20th century brought about significant change for the St Kildans. The outside world, with its modern conveniences and opportunities, began to encroach on their isolated existence. The lure of education, healthcare, and employment proved too strong to resist. On August 29, 1930, the remaining 36 St Kildans made the heart-wrenching decision to leave their ancestral home. They boarded a ship bound for the mainland, leaving behind a way of life that had endured for centuries. The evacuation marked the end of an era, a poignant reminder of the fragility of human communities in the face of change. Section 6. Whispers of the Past. Exploring the ruins of village life. Today, the village of Hirta stands as a poignant reminder of a bygone era. The stone houses, once filled with the sounds of life and laughter, now stand empty, their crumbling walls whispering tales of the families who once called them home. Walking through the deserted streets, one can almost hear the echoes of children playing, the murmur of conversations, the clatter of daily life. The church, with its simple wooden pews and stained glass windows, stands as a testament to the St Kildans' strong faith. The schoolhouse, where generations of children learn to read and write, evokes images of eager young minds, their imaginations fueled by tales of the sea and the wider world. Section 7. A haven for wildlife. St Kilda's feathered inhabitants. With the departure of the St Kildans, nature reclaimed its dominion over the islands. Today, St Kilda is a haven for wildlife, a place where seabirds outnumber humans and rare species thrive in this isolated paradise. The cliffs, once scaled by the islanders, are now home to the largest colony of Atlantic puffins in the world. Gannets, with their impressive wingspans and piercing gaze, rule the skies, their nests clinging precariously to the cliff edges. Fulmars, their mournful cries echoing across the waves, patrol the skies, while kittiwakes, their black-tipped wings a blur of motion, dart and dive in search of food. Section 8. The Guardians of St Kilda, preserving a fragile paradise. Recognizing the unique ecological and cultural significance of St Kilda, the islands are now managed by the National Trust for Scotland and the Ministry of Defence. Conservation efforts are focused on preserving the fragile ecosystem and protecting the abundant wildlife that call St Kilda home. Researchers and volunteers work tirelessly to monitor seabird populations, study the island's unique flora and fauna, and ensure that this fragile paradise remains untouched for generations to come. Their work is a testament to the power of collaboration and the importance of safeguarding our planet's most precious places. Section 9. A Journey to Remember. Experiencing the magic of St Kilda. Reaching St Kilda is an adventure in itself, a journey that requires a sense of adventure and a deep appreciation for the power of nature. Whether you choose to sail across the wild Atlantic, braving the unpredictable elements, or opt for a more comfortable helicopter ride, the journey to St Kilda is an experience you won't soon forget. Once ashore, you'll be greeted by a sense of peace and tranquility, a feeling of being a million miles away from the stresses of everyday life. Explore the abandoned village of Hirta, marvel at the towering cliffs, and witness the spectacle of thousands of seabirds nesting on the cliff faces. Section 10. A world waiting to be discovered. Why St Kilda should be your next adventure. St Kilda is more than just a destination. It is an experience, a journey into the heart of nature, and a testament to the resilience of the human spirit. Nestled in the remote archipelago of Scotland, this UNESCO World Heritage Site offers an unparalleled escape from the hustle and bustle of modern life. It is a place where time seems to stand still, where the past and present collide, and where the raw beauty of the natural world takes your breath away. The island's dramatic cliffs, ancient ruins, and diverse wildlife create a mesmerizing tapestry that captivates every visitor. So, if you're looking for an adventure off the beaten path, a chance to connect with nature and discover a truly unique corner of the world, then add St Kilda to your travel list. Whether you're an avid hiker, a history enthusiast, or simply someone seeking tranquility, St Kilda has something to offer. It is a journey you won't soon forget, a memory that will stay with you long after you've left its shores. The island's serene landscapes and rich history will leave an indelible mark on your soul, making you yearn to return to its rugged beauty time and time again.